Oh yeah.
What? Dude!
Dang! Monster!
Bro! Oh my god! Okay.
Come on, Josiah, get it. Oh my god.
Koya! You!
I got a big monster.
Yeah, he did! Woo! It moved?
Oh my god.
It's not gonna hurt you! It's not gonna Oh my goodness, they're here. They're here. Today is mail time. This is my dad.
I'm Josiah Whisnant. I'm the proud parent of Josiah Whisnant. This is Father's Day, just so happens to be, so I'm wearing my Father's Day shirt. I have several of these. Through the years, I've gotten different ones. See it very good. Into it. That's good. That's good. Tearing's great. Very destructive.
Number one, tempered glass. Tell me what that's for. What's that for? Does it tell you?
It doesn't say on the outside of the package what it's for. Let me open it up and we'll see.
Yeah.
I can get it. I can get it. There we go. This looks like it is the size of a GoPro screen, maybe?
Package number two.
I must put this back.
Let me put it back. So we have
Put that there.
a big black case.
I like that.
Ooh. So first thing we've got is a suction cup mount. Take that, turn it back up. Amen.
Suction cup.
All right,
Now.
next thing.
Oh, dude, it's a Ziploc bag.
So there's a Ziploc bag right there, but I just ripped the bag right there. It was unnecessary. But while I'm here, a clip mount, a thing to go around your neck, a lot of other little bitty little things in there for a GoPro. We've got. Wait. Hold on. I actually don't know what this is. Come sit with us. Everybody, listen. This is you sit front and center. All right. This is Justin Whisnant. Say hi.
Hey, how you doing? I'm 15. I'm single. I'm just kidding.
He is single. What do you like? Listen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the dating show. This is Justin Whisnant with us tonight. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm obviously 15.
I'm going to interrupt this. He's married to Jesus. And that is his current state until the Lord brings him along that angel that is going to be our future daughter-in-law. But at 15 years old, that ain't no focus he needs to have.
So here we have a clip mount. All right, let me see your shirt real quick. So watch, I'll show you.
Clip it on the hat.
If this is that works.
That'll totally clip on the hat.
Nope. Yeah. Okay. So this is your wrist attachment. And you just. There you go. We got a. Put your arms up. Oh no! There we go.
This is the GoPro bra.
There we go.
It holds the GoPro on your chest. I got this side. I got
Did
this
your
side.
helmet? Okay. There we go. Did you?
Yes.
I'm gonna put on mine.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Put on your wrist thing. Yep. All right. So this is all of our stuff. Ready? Freeze for a potential thumbnail. Thumbnail. Ah! You know what they're gonna have?
This is called the Willy Poo H106. It's rechargeable. There's 4 headlights, and it's got a zoom feature. You turn the big thing,
Oh, this.
and it'll zoom, and it'll pinpoint or it'll flood whatever you need.
Oh my goodness! Something for my.
Oh, that's bad. No,
We're gonna have a rave.
I'm floodlighting the rave.
Okay, rave over.
Let's move on to the next product.
This is what we do when we have nothing to do.
Now we're moving on to the little box.
The little box.
Yeah! This is a boom. Boom. Boom.
Case.
It's a
carry-
case for what?
This is for a GoPro Hero session.
What?
A GoPro Hero session. I wonder who's getting one of those little suckers. Oh wait, no. We have one more thing. Guys. We have one more thing. We have a 128 gigabyte mini SD card with the adapter for our handy dandy file keeper. So that's it for the mail time segment. I'm just gonna grab that. Thank you guys so much for watching week 24. I'll see you guys next week.
Oh, yeah.
Justin, what you doing over there, buddy?
Nothing.
What you got?
Yeah.
What you got there? Yeah? Hey, you guys. Look what we got. Boom.
Hold it.
Oh, boom. You want to hold it? You can hold it.
it.
Jackson, what you got there?
I got a GoPro.
Yeah, you did. Jackson, you really thought we'd get all these attachments and not have a GoPro for them?
I didn't even recognize the.
So thank you guys so much for watching week 24, and I'll see you guys next week.